I'm Kim, and I'm going to show you how to make a cheesecake with a graham cracker crust. First I'm going to make the crust, so I'm going to take 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs, and then a stick of butter. Mix it until it forms a dough. I'm going to press it into my pan. Ta-da! Now I'm going to make the cheesecake filling. First I'm going to take a block of cream cheese, and then 2 drops of vanilla extract. Now I'm going to crack 1 egg, and add half a cup of sugar. I put the bowl into my stand mixer. I'm going to set it to medium speed. It's about time the crust is done. It looks perfect. And the batter is done mixing. Before you pour the batter into the pan, make sure it cools off for at least 15 minutes. You can pour in the filling, and now it's time to bake. Bake for 20 minutes or until it's golden brown. Now we'll just wait for it to bake. In the meantime, I'm going to make some strawberry whipped cream to go on top. I'm going to pour some whipping cream into my bowl, and I'm going to mix it until it becomes firm and fluffy. Yep, seems stiff enough. Now I have some strawberry puree, and I'm going to put some into the mixture. I'm going to mix it in. Now that the cheesecake is done, I'm going to add the cream on top. It's done! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell me if you like my baking videos. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Bye! Finished another baking video, which means it's time to check the traps.
Kim, can you let us down? I just wanted to see what you were making.
Yeah.